Hey everyone! Welcome back to the ECA Tech Channel. If you're managing an online store with Magento, you know how powerful and sometimes complicated it can be. But don't worry, because today I'm going to share 4 Magento hacks that will help you streamline your workflow, optimize your store, and make your life easier. Hack 1. Use Magento's built-in index management for faster performance. Magento is a resource-heavy platform, and if you don't manage your indexes properly, your site can slow down, especially as your product catalog grows. Luckily, Magento has built-in tools to handle this. Go to System, then Index Management. From here, you can manually reindex your data or set it to automatic. Automatic reindexing is great because it ensures your site is always up to date without you needing to remember to do it manually. Just keep an eye on it to make sure your site isn't reindexing too frequently, which can cause performance issues. This small step can make a big difference in your site's speed and efficiency. Hack 2. Leverage Magento's built-in caching system. Let's talk caching. Magento has a powerful built-in caching system that can drastically improve your store's performance. If you're not using it effectively, you could be leaving a lot of speed on the table. To access it, go to System, then Cache Management. Here you can enable different types of caching, like configuration cache, layout cache, and block HTML cache. If you're making changes to your site and you don't see them reflected right away, try flushing the cache. But otherwise, let the caching system do its job. It'll speed up page load times and reduce server load. A faster site means happier customers, and that means more sales. Now, let's talk about something that can help both you and me join your customers, product attributes. Magento allows you to create custom product attributes, and this hack is all about using them to improve your store's search and filter functionality. For example, if you're selling clothing, you might create attributes for size, color, and material. Once you've set up these attributes, your customers can filter products based on their preferences, making it easier for them to find exactly what they're looking for. And when customers find what they want faster, they're more likely to buy. Plus, well-organized attributes can also help improve your SEO, so it's a double win. All right, last hack, and this one's a biggie if you're serious about speeding up your Magento store, using a content delivery network or CDN. A CDN works by distributing your site's static content, like images, CSS, and JavaScript, across multiple servers around the world. That way, when a user visits your site, they're downloading content from the server closest to them, which makes your site load faster. Magento integrates well with CDNs like Cloudflare and Fastly, and setting it up is easier than you might think. In your Magento admin, go to Stores, then Configuration, and under Web, you'll see options for base URLs. This is where you can configure your CDN. Once it's set up, you should see a significant improvement in load times, especially for customers in different regions. With faster load times, you're improving the overall user experience, which can lead to higher conversion rates. So, there you have it. 4 Magento hacks from ECA Tech to help you optimize your store, speed up performance, and create a better experience for your customers. Whether you're a Magento pro or just getting started, these hacks will help you get more out of your store. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more e-commerce tips and tricks. And hey, if you have any Magento hacks of your own, drop them in the comments below. I'd love to hear them. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.